Well, this is just terribly fun. Hello, everybody. I just ate an apple and I just got this new vlogging camera. So excited, really so beautiful. So today, since it's like 6:05 and 40 seconds p.m., I'm just gonna do like a night in the life of Kaylin Cravings. I'm so excited. Okay, so first things first, dance party. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is show you guys how I straighten my hair, because I use this fancy little tool that honestly changed my life in middle school, and I highly recommend it to everyone. It's like $2. It makes your hair super duper soft and it helps you not burn your hands when you're straightening your hair. So let's do that. I have naturally wavy hair, so that means that when I brush it, it becomes a lion's mane. Alrighty, now that the hair is done, I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup. I don't wear a ton of makeup every day just because I don't really like to, but since I'm going out, I'm gonna do just like a nice natural look. Alrighty, so done with the hair and the makeup. We're not leaving for another hour. I'm usually 20 minutes late, so the fact that I'm so early is a miracle.